take a look at it, shall we? Don't slip and fall, Yaren. We'll be in trouble with your mother if the camera falls into the water.
Oh, shut up.
I'll have to buy you a new one.
Look at this. It's collecting the water, I think for electricity or I don't know.
Let's see if I can zoom in on that.
Yeah. No, you cannot.
Oh, you can't zoom with this. All right, well then I have to get closer. This is really beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it.
Sorry, you can pass.
Take a look at that. All right, we should keep walking, huh? This is so you can remember it. I'm afraid of passing anything to you on this bridge. All right, big step down. And take a look at this, everybody. For real. That's where we just came from. And we are walking down the side of the mountain at Hohenschwangau in Bavaria. Yaren, was it fun?
Speechless.
Beautiful,
Gorgeous.
right?
I've never seen anything this beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh my God, Lisa, look at this.
What does it say?
Somebody fell off on the cliffs up there and died here. Hohenschwangau.
Well,
He
this
died.
is why we have to be careful.
1960. That's really sad. Give it to me. I'll
No,
film you as well,
I'm
please.
having fun.
Please.
Smile, Yaren. Ah, you already have one of me.
No, I haven't filmed you.
You did?
Yeah, but I want to film you now.
Oh, wow. Look at that under there. Let's see if I can capture that. Look how beautiful. This is all very clean mountain water. You can drink all of it. It's crystal clear. And we stuck our feet in earlier and it's ice cold.
Yes.
And look at that down here. Let's see if we could taste some, huh?
I want to, yes. I have a bottle, Lisa. I have a bottle from before, if you're not...
Look at that. Let's see if I go over here, if I could get a shot up the side of the mountain. I don't know.
Can you try this?
Let's see if I turn it. Ooh, I don't think that works on this. That's dizzying. Sorry about that, guys. Try it, Yaren. It's crystal clear. Take a look at that.
Oh, it tastes very sweet. It's very good.
Yes?
Yes, try some.
I'm gonna try some.
So give me the camera. I want to film you more. So guys, I'm switching it back to Lisa.
Okay.
What are you drinking right now?
The water tastes like bottled drinking water. You can't tell the difference and it's ice cold. It's very refreshing.
We should fill it up.
It's really very, very good.
Yeah.
Let's fill this up, okay?
Yes.
How did you do it?
So against the stream.
Oh my God!
This is what we're doing. Look. Isn't that cool?
Look at that. Look how clear that is. Look at that. Is that unbelievable or what?
This is not Evian, guys. This is mountain water.
Mountain water. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Have a big sip.
What?
Have a big sip of it.
Okay.
We just dipped our feet in it, so I don't know how it will taste.
It has a strange sweet flavor now.
It
that we
does,
stick
right?
our
My
in it.
feet are tasty.
Let's go this way.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
You go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Should we fill it up a little bit more? This is really good water.
It's hard to, because let's see if we go down here, if we can fill it up anymore. It won't go. Water's running too hard.
If you hold it halfway into the water, not fully, that doesn't work. Okay. All right.
Alright.
Guys, we're walking down the stream. The water is flowing down this, I would say, filtration system. I'm sure it's going to be used in the city. So we're going down. There's Lisa with her flip-flops. We had some difficulty walking down the steep hill today.
Pan up so you can see the top of the mountain to get an idea of how high we just hiked down.
Guys, we came from all the way top.
And it was very treacherous and very dangerous, especially since today I decided to wear flip-flops. Not a very smart idea.
And white pants.
And white pants, totally perfect to go hiking in.
Wow.
Alright, let's keep moving.
Should I stop now and then continue filming later?
Yeah.